If I not chop your 300
It's time to.
Why she LT so?
Yeah, no fine.
come on, sit down. I do like monkey.
Nah for you.
You don't
Play now.
She tagged me for Facebook. She tagged me for Facebook.
I say collect
NigerLoaded.com.
If I no beat you today, what shall I beat you so? Why that? Shit! Wow!
Babe. No. Babe.
Look at the way God he just bring you to my life. Hi. You are the best thing that happened to me. Hi. See how she just did. See, let me tell you something. See, in this life, there's nothing any boy can give you life. See, I will spoil you. Just be mine, Just be mine. See, just in fact, you just tell me yes, I will go straight to your mother. I will spoil you. I will spoil you.
Look at this one.
I will spoil you. Just tell me your house.
Don't look at me like this. Just imagine village radical.
I have money.
See, let me warn you. You don't ever. Don't
What's up? What's happening?
Emmanuel. Hey, Jesus.
What's up?
You are laughing, go now. Shut up. You are laughing, go.
MVP,
go now.
Run.
Few moments later.
Answer me now. Fine, girl. How are you now?
do I want to invite you?
See, I just want to tell you that you are the cockroach in my body, sugar in my tea. Wait now. I'm fine, girl. See, I just want to say that see, handsome boy that me I am like this. Just be my girlfriend now. It's not anything that is bad. But you see that stupid boy, that one is done. You don't have any work. But see, expensive time. Better shirt, fancy trouser, expensive one. This is G-boy trash. Sorry. So how do we do? Tell me your mind. Me, I like you from the bottom of my beginning. I said,
Please, young man, I'm not interested.
You
Finish.
What did I tell you?
stupid girl.
This
girl slap
Take a bold step.
One day she slapped me.
I want me.
I said one day she
My brother.
Okay. My name is JP. Please, can you be mine?
What's my name? Got daddy, big tunes, got the club banging. Less man, more baddies. What's that? It's a drop top caddy. What's my name? Got daddy, big tunes, got the club banging. Less man.
Wow, Papa.